Got our old LED tail lights in on the Dodge here, 2003. We busted this one out a while back. That's why it's got the black tape up here around the top and the bottom. That obviously isn't very good. Now the lights itself have played out. So we got some replacements, guys. I'm gonna show them real quick, and we're gonna jump on this thing. This is good. All right, so we just got these guys in. This is going to be our replacement lights for the ones over there on the truck now to get us all back up and working. Really like the white accent in there. I think it's going to look good with the white truck, so pretty excited about them. We're going to jump right in and change them out. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so installation should be pretty straightforward. Bang out a couple of screws here on the sides. One and two. Housing should then pull out. Alright, we're going to compare the back of this one to the back of this other one. Oh, similar harness but a little different. So, looks like this harness here will go into the main harness for the truck, and they just don't have it on individual plugs like the other one is. Pop this off here. Alright, so that's that. Okay, I'm gonna turn the lights on and see if that works. Flashers work, and the brake lights work. Cool. All right. Like I said, guys, really easy, really straightforward. that's that. Let's get the tailgate up and see what it looks like. Alright guys, there it is. I got some cleaning up to do where the tape was on there for the old lights. You can see it looks pretty ugly, but after we get that part cleaned up, I think it'll look pretty good. Lights are working like they're supposed to. Here, show you on this side. It's kind of the finished product there. Pretty happy with it. Like I said, it looks good so far. I'm gonna get the truck cleaned up a little bit and probably get some shots at night. That'll make it a little bit easier to see the lights and all, but yeah, looking pretty good. Pretty happy with it.